Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. If you're a photographer looking to improve your skills, then you know that practice is a key. But sometimes it can be hard to come up with a new interesting project to work on. That's why I've put together a list of 4 photography projects that you can start this year to help you become a better photographer. The first project is all about composition. This project is all about understanding and practicing different composition techniques. For portrait photography, composition is key to create engaging and pleasing images. Some examples include the rule of thirds to create a more natural and pleasing composition, using leading lines to draw the viewer eye towards the subject, or using framing elements to create a sense of depth and content. You can also experiment with different angles and perspectives to see how they change the composition. For example, try shooting from above or below to create a unique point of view, or use a wide-angle lens to exaggerate the surrounding and create a sense of place. By improving your understanding of composition, you will be able to create more dynamic and engaging portrait photos that draw the viewer eye towards the subject and convey the intent, mood and message. For the second project, focus on lighting. For portrait photography, lighting is especially important for shaping the mood and overall look of your shots. For this project, challenge yourself to take photos in a variety of lighting situations. This could include low light, backlighting and harsh midday light. Pay attention to how the lighting affects the way your subject is portrayed. For example, diffuse lighting can create a warm and flattering look, while hard and direct lighting can create more contrast and drama. For project number 3, challenge yourself to take photo using only one lens. As portrait photographers, we often have a tendency to rely on multiple lenses to capture different shots. While there is nothing wrong with this, it can be beneficial to challenge yourself by using only one lens. For this project, choose a single lens and use it for all your portraits. This could be a wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens, or anything in between. By limiting yourself to only one lens, you will be able to develop a deeper understanding of its strengths and limitations, and learn to work with what you have to create compelling portrait photos. And for the final project, try to experimenting with post-processing. Post-processing is an important aspect of digital portrait photography that can greatly impact the final look and feel of your shots. For this project, take a series of portrait photos and experiment with different color grading techniques to see how they can affect your shots. The overall color balance creates a specific mood or atmosphere. So, there you have it, 4 photography projects to start this year to help you become a better photographer. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced photographer, these projects will help you to improve your skills and keep things interesting. Grab your camera and get started today.